this question we are given an equation 4 by x plus 2 plus x plus 2 is equal to 4 times cos of pi by 2 into x square plus 2x. So what we'll do is we'll first look at the left hand side, then we'll look at the right hand side. If you look at the left hand side and if you assume that x plus 2 is equal to p, just for ease of understanding, the left hand side is of the form 4 by p plus p. And the right hand side is of the form 4 into cos of something. Cos of, let us call this pi by 2 into x square plus 2x to be equal to y. The right hand side 4 of cos y will always be less than or equal to 4. And if you look at the left hand side, 4 by p plus p divided by 2 will always be greater than or equal to square root of 4 by p into p, which is 4. This is simple arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So 4 by p plus p will always be greater than or equal to 2 into square root of 4 is 2, so that is equal to 4. So now we have the left hand side which is always greater than or equal to 4, and we have the right hand side which is always less than or equal to 4. If you want both of them to be equal to each other, the only possibility is if both of them are equal to 4 simultaneously. So what we will do is we will first find out what is the value of p for which the left hand side is equal to 4, and then we will substitute that value of p, or basically that value of x, and see if the right hand side also equals 4 at that point. If it equals 4 at that point, then we will have one solution. If it doesn't equal 4 at that particular point, then it will have no solution. So when is 4 by p plus p equal to 4? 4 by p plus p is always greater than or equal to 4, and this equality will occur only if 4 by p is equal to p. This is again arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. The equality will occur only if all the terms in the arithmetic mean are equal to each other. So you want 4 by p to be equal to p, or you want p square to be equal to 4, or p has to be either 2 or minus 2. We are only looking at the case where x is greater than or equal to 0, so this is not valid. So if p is equal to 2, that is x plus 2 is equal to 2, the value of x has to equal 0. This is allowed because x has to be greater than or equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, the left hand side is 4. We will see what the value of the right hand side is. If the value of the right hand side is equal to 4, then x is equal to 0 is the solution. If the value of the right hand side when x is equal to 0 is not equal to 4, and it is say less than 4, then the given equation will have no solution. Now when x is equal to 4, what is the value of the right hand side? It is 4 times cos of pi by 2 into 0, which is equal to 0. Cos 0 is 1, so 4 into cos 0 is also equal to 4. So the left hand side will reach its minimum, that is equal to 4 when x is equal to 0, and the right hand side will reach its maximum when x is equal to 0, and that also is equaling 4. So the given system of given equation has exactly one real solution, that is when x is equal to 0.